Hello, my name's Jonathan, and today I'm going to show you how we make a vegetarian cottage pie using Essential Cuisine's Premier Rich Vegetable Jus. So now I'm going to make the vegetarian cottage pie filling. We've got unsalted butter, freshly chopped onion and garlic, a mirepoix of carrots, leeks and celery, a splash of dry white wine, some cooked lentils, and some cooked peas. Okay, firstly I'm going to put in my unsalted butter into a medium hot pan to start melting that. Next I'm going to add the onion and garlic mixture, followed by the bay leaf and fresh thyme. Now this can be on the stem because this will be removed afterwards. Okay? Just give that a nice little sweat. At the moment, the vegetarian options on restaurant menus are becoming a lot more popular. So now we've got it to a stage where the vegetables are nicely sweated and started to soften. So now we can add our dry white wine, and we'll just reduce that by half. Now that the white wine has reduced, I'm going to pour in the Essential Cuisine Premier Rich Vegetable Jus. So I'm going to put that into a pie dish I've got ready here. We're going to chill that down in the fridge before we place the cheesy mash topping. And there we have a delicious vegetarian cottage pie using the Essential Cuisine Premier Rich Vegetable Jus and cheese stock.